what's going on? What's going on? Hey, man, I definitely want to get on here real quick. I really want to get on here to talk about this person named Jonathan Carhart. Man, if I butcher his name, well, it is what it is. But his name is Jonathan Carhart. He's a writer, and he's also a CNN. No, my bad. He's an MSNBC commentator. And really, he actually wrote, if I'm mistaken, he wrote an article. It's really an opinion article in the Washington Post, and he basically was talking about black people really don't need monetary payments, but they will take an apology instead of a check. He basically was trying to make an issue of you don't need to pay, you don't need the money. All you need is an apology, because he feels that's what black Americans, ADOS, feel about the plight of their lineage. And he said a payment is not equivalent to an apology. To me, that's complete bullshit. And it was crazy when he came out with that article in the Washington Post. They did, I think RT News and a couple other places, they did a poll that actually stated at least 30% of white Americans actually supported reparation. And then this Negro come out with some bullshit ass article talking about we don't need a check. Apology is just as good. Plus he tweeted some type of diss to the ADOS community. Plus what really kind of got people, not really a lot of people up in arms, but a lot of people that really now vocal is House Representative Sheila Lee Jackson tweeted his tweet about ADOS. That was really a diss. It wasn't a genuine tweet. He didn't even present his case of even try to argue down an apology. He just kind of shot a diss at the ADOS Community Foundation of Black American Community and just left it like that. And that I have a problem with. I read his article. We could tell it was trash. It was garbage. He had a few things he did say, he stated, but that was overshadowed from what his mind and mental is. So it was definitely something to be heard and something to be watched. But definitely, now, I mean, I'm trying to get my thoughts without cursing, because I was very upset. I didn't really go off and cut somebody's name, but just going out, there was a sense of just no type of loyalty at all. So I mean, it is what it is. But the thing is, I think you got this person who maybe come from somewhat of a privileged life, just really going against the group that he got lineage from. And to me, that's treason. That's treason. So, like I said, I'll definitely hit you guys up with another video. Like I said, just got done from the shower, come from the job, got to lay down. So, but yeah, I definitely will get with you guys real